you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Little Bee box for January. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So the January Little Bee box just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys don't know, the Little Bee box is geared towards little ones. It is a mystery box that they put together based on the child's age, the gender, and all of that. So I love that they take that into consideration. This month is going to be geared towards a little girl, and I love the box itself. You can always save these boxes to store things in them. I just love the way they're constructed. And when we open it up, here is a sneak peek to inside of the box. You always do have a thank you card right on top saying thank you for your purchase. And if you have social, you can tag them and take a picture of it. Also, what fell out was this month's card, January Little Star. Just like little stars in the night sky, your baby shines with endless possibilities and fills your world with wonder. Here's to cherishing every magical moment and starting the year with love, laughter, and a twinkle in your hearts. Isn't that so cool? They always have some kind of little verbiage right here to read for the month. It's always different, and I love to read that to you guys. And then on this side is what's in my box, and it will give you the pricing that's in here. Ooh, now I see what it says for the outfit, the brand. Now I'm really excited. Okay, so that's right on top of the box. Oh my goodness. And even though Anastasia is 2 years old now, okay, I gotta tell you something. She's still wearing 12 months, and that's not even the crazy thing. She's just so tiny and petite, and oh my gosh, even though she's growing like a weed, she's still so tiny. Like, she's talking, she's so much more talkative now. Like, oh my gosh, I just love her. She's just so cute, turning into her own little individual person. It's so cute to see. Anyways, my friend said keep her at 12 months because she's still, she's still so petite that the 12-month clothing size is still fitting her. So one day, little story. One day we were waiting for an Amazon order, and what came was not what we ordered. I don't even remember what he ordered, something for a job or something. And what came was 2 outfits, 6 to 9 months, and they were Harry Potter. So I didn't know anybody who was having a baby at the time. I asked a few people if they were into Harry Potter. They weren't. So I was like, oh, okay. So I know my friend and her husband, they love Harry Potter. And I know at some point they're gonna have a number 2, hopefully. So I asked her if she wanted to hold on to it until that day comes for number 2. And she's like, yeah, sure, no problem. She sent me a photo of this little girl wearing the outfit. And I said, is that the 6 to 9 month outfit? She's like, yes, ma'am. I'm like, oh, I don't even know what made her think to put her in that, but I cannot believe that she's just so dang petite and tiny that she can still fit into 6 to 9 months. Like, so yes, this is 12 months still for her, which is perfect. So a little bit of a backstory. I should have said long story short. Look at these little shorts. Okay, so this is Tommy Hilfiger, and they are 12 months. Look at how cute. So literally it's just pink outfit, and then it has these little blue hearts that has the white and red in for like their logo. Oh my, I think this is my favorite outfit so far. This is just so cute, and it is hot. I don't know if you can't tell obviously from seeing what you see, but I'm literally hot. I just turned my air conditioner down just to film because it is so warm in this room. It's like over 80 degrees outside. It's like, what happened to this 30-degree weather that we had a couple weeks ago? It's gone, but it is super warm outside. So this is the perfect outfit because, again, here in Florida, we don't have cold weather. So she is going to be able to rock this. And with this being like the shorts and the top, she'll be able to wear this for a lot longer, even though, you know, this is 12 months, she's still going to be able to wear this, put some pants underneath it if she wanted to at some point. So I love the versatility with this style of an outfit, but that is, I cannot wait. I cannot wait to see her in that outfit. Okay, you always get a gift for the mom. This month you have some cozy socks, And it looks like, I was trying to see what the print was on there. She won't mind if I open them just to show you guys. And they look cute. Well, oh, they're like little flowers. That is adorable. That is really adorable. And I think she'll like these because they have all hardwood floors. So it'd be nice to walk around, you know, with some little comforts. And so I think she's gonna love these. But every single month, there's always one free item for the mom. There's no value to it, but it just is a free gift for the mom. So it's not all just for the baby. And I love that. So here is the fuzzy socks free item for the mom. Up next we have, it's a laundry stain remover. It did leak a little bit in here. That's obviously what that is. And a little on the inside. So it just leaked a little bit, but she did take the time into taping it so that wouldn't happen, or at least it wouldn't happen as much. But here is Little Me Laundry Stain Remover, lavender scented, spotless spray, spray on ease, fast and effective, no harsh chemicals. Mom and dad's secret weapon. Release the secret weapon. Yeah, it's a little wet, but like I said, it's okay. It's not like a whole lot came out. And this right here, Little Me Laundry Stain Remover, is valued for $7.99. So just try to make it a little bit tighter inside of that seal. So there's that. And then the last item in here, she's getting her own little backpack, you guys. Oh my goodness, it's Disney Princess backpack. I thought that was Dora, but I guess it's not Dora. It's a Disney, but she'll have her own little mini backpack. Oh my gosh, that is super cute, because then I guess if they go anywhere, she can always say, go get your backpack, and she can throw a few things in there and take it with her. Oh my goodness. So here is the mini backpack. So stinking adorable, you guys. And this is valued at $24.95. So that is everything for this little girl who is 2, but it's geared towards a 12-month clothing size. So you have a Disney Princess mini backpack, so cute. The cozy socks for the mom, the free gift for the mom. You have the stain remover, and then the most adorable 2-piece Tommy Hilfiger outfit. Okay, you guys. So again, now that is everything for this January box for my friend's little girl. What do you think of the outfit this month? What do you think of the items inside? What do you think of her wearing them? Let me know all the details down below. I would love to hear from you guys. If you would like a little bit more information about this for the pricing, I will let you know right about now. They did generate my own code for you guys to use if you would like. It would save 30% off your very first box. If you're interested, you can use SheCrafty. So for this one right here, there are 3 different levels depending on if you want to save money to prepay. So if you want to just do month per month, that is the gold membership. It is $51.95 per month. If you want to save and do a 6-month term, it brings your box price down for the silver to $45.95. Or if you want to go to the platinum, you do the whole year prepaid for the 12 months, it brings the box price down to $43 per box. So the more you prepay for, the lower your box is per month. I will have everything listed below if you would like to take a look. They also have a one-time gift box. So if you know somebody who's having a birthday party or a baby shower or anything like that, you could always do the one-time gift box, which is $65 with free US shipping on that one. And you can select newborn, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months, and pick pink, blue, or neutral, and they will package that box for you and ship it out. Love it. Again, they always take all the guesswork out. They know age appropriate, gender appropriate, seasonal appropriate, and they do these mystery boxes for these little kids. And I just think this is so, so cute. I love everything that they put in there. So if you want to check them out, again, they will be listed down below in the description box to take you to their site with my code SheCrafty to save you 30% off your very first box if you're interested. If you want to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Then you can see all of the different videos that I do. I do so many different types. If one comes up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you do. That's simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.